Hello and welcome to a new Python project. In this project, we will see how to collect the business data and storing into the MySQL database and save a Excel file. Then we will use this business Gmail for growing our business. So we have to see this in your computer. Install a Python, then we will write a Python code to automate this all thing. We install Jupyter. Next, so you are writing in the small letter, hit enter. It will store the Jupyter notebook. Okay, so then after installing the Jupyter notebook, we have to open the Jupyter notebook. We have to write Jupyter notebook and hit enter. And it will open your Jupyter notebook in your default browser. This is your Jupyter notebook, and these are your folders and file. Okay, so I have written some code, so that's why you can see these are Jupyter files. So I will open a file to show how to write. That is, I already opened, so you can see here. To use this automation, we have to install some libraries. With the help of this library, we can collect the business data to grow our business, or we can send Gmail to the people to sell our product or to purchase our services. So we have to install Selenium, that is useful to automate any work. So pip install selenium. Here is pip install selenium. Just run. And another library that is useful to automate, that is PyAutoGUI. So install this also, and after that you have to install very important library, that is PyMySQL. It is basically useful when you are going to connect PyMySQL to the Python. Then we have to use the PyMySQL. After this, we will start pandas, that is useful to handle the file, CSV file, data, Excel files, text files. It is useful to handle the files. And we have to collect the data from the Google. I will show you. For example, I want to collect the data from here. This is my query @gmail.com. Site is LinkedIn and UK shop owner. Okay, so this is my text. I want to collect this. Here you can see this is my on the LinkedIn jobs, and you can see these are emails. Alex, so we have to collect this. And here is also, you can see this, we have to collect this using Selenium and WebDriver. So automate this. We will collect this name and this text, and from this text we have to extract Gmail. Where is Gmail? Just create a new column and show it. Let's go on our Jupyter notebook. First of all, we have to create a URL to search the query what we are going to search. So I am going to search on Google this @gmail.com, site linkedin.com, UK shop owner, or UK store owner, or UK business owner, and I'm encoding as a URL for. So this is my this will be my search URL. If I run this, you will see this will be my search URL. So I will use this to automate or search on the Google. So first of all, let's go on this tab. Here you can see we have to import some important thing. So in the very first line, I am importing the WebDriver from the Selenium. Basically, WebDriver is using Chrome, or using Edge, or using Firefox. So the WebDriver, in this from the WebDriver, I am using Chrome, and from the Chrome service I am importing the service, and after that I am importing by. Basically, by is useful when we are selecting some tag, selecting some HTML tag, searching some HTML tag. So this is when we use by. After that we are importing the option, then we have to import pandas, and we have to import this by auto GUI, and date time. From the date time we are importing date time, and import time to make the code slow. Okay, so after this we have to create the WebDriver. So I am going to create here WebDriver. Driver is equal to webdriver.chrome. I am using Chrome. Option is equal to Chrome option. Here I want to connect the MySQL to the Python. So I am connecting this Python to the MySQL database. So where I can store all the data, Gmail, about, name, link, all things we have to store into the MySQL database. So after that I'm creating some list to store our data one by one. So here is list, name list, link. I'm storing the title, I'm storing the about. You can see I'm searching this URL on the Chrome. So it will search all these things. So here we have to understand this. I'm searching this path, I'm getting this tag using this path. So how to use the X path? Thereby, here you can see I imported the by, and using the X path I am selecting this tag. So how to use the X path? What is X path? So for example, if I want to collect this text, I want to move on this tag or on this tag. So just right click and inspect, and just hover this like this. Okay, for example, okay. So on this, if I want to get, if I want to work on this span, like this is span. So how to create for this export? Or you can right click and go to the copy, and you can copy the X path. You can also do this, but the easiest way, Control F, then we have to type // first of all search this like this. Okay, and this is class, just copy this class, copy, and that name is span / / you have to type span, the name of tag, then open square bracket, add the rate and the paste that name class and hold this like this. Now it is searching the your correct location. I am finding this location, so we have to use like this, and our X path is ready. Okay, with the help of X path we are searching all these tags one by one. So go to the Jupyter notebook, and we are here. We are saving our file into the MySQL database. So MySQL database, this is MySQL database. It will show into the Because database. This is Because database. In this database, there is some table name is Google first page headless table. So in this table, I will store my data. Let's run this. Run from the starting. First, run this, and after that, you have to run this, and it will also save a Excel file. Also save a Excel file in your C drive. Just run it. It will open a Chrome, and now you can see it is automatically opening a Chrome and searching this. Okay, and one by one it will click on the next page. So it click on the 2, and then it will click on next. Now we are at the 3 page, third page. Now we are at the fourth. Likewise it will click all the. Okay, you can increase if you want to do select only 2 3 pages, then you can change your code. Now our work has been complete, or this string and text are collected in our database. Just close this. Now you can see this is link, and this is title name, and this is text. So if I will show here, it means you will show, you can see in your MySQL database and in your Excel file also. Let's go on the MySQL. My table name is Google First Pair Headless. So I'm using this regex to extract the Gmail also, so that we can use it. Just run this. Now you can see this all the data. This is about text, and these are Gmail, like London Tamil, study@gmail.com, work@gmail.com. After that, these are Gmail. You can use this to grow your business, and it is saved in your MySQL database. You can easily use whenever you want to use. Okay, and you can see this Excel file also. Go to the C drive, open users, click on users, go to the username, this, and you will see this. So this is our database. Like, double click on this, you can see this. Okay, so I am using the MySQL. Maybe if you are not using the MySQL to connect your Python, just comment out it. This you can comment this also, and you can comment this That's fine. Okay. But sometimes you will find this error. So we have to solve this problem. We have to solve this. We will see in the next how to solve this type of error. Thanks all. Okay, bye bye. How to use it? You can open over my description and use this.